Why Southeast Asia is the next China. For decades, one country dominated global manufacturing, and that is China. But now, something is quietly changing. Factories are moving, supply chains are shifting, and a new region is rising fast, and that is Southeast Asia. The question is this region becoming the next China? Countries like Vietnam, Indonesia, Thailand, and the Philippines are starting to attract massive global attention. And not just from tourists, but from corporations, investors, and governments. And what's happening right now could reshape the global economy. For years, China was the world's factory. Cheap labor, massive infrastructure, and efficient production. But today, things are different. Labor costs in China have risen. Geopolitical tensions are increasing. And companies want to reduce risk. So instead of relying on just one country, they're looking for alternatives. And that's where Southeast Asia comes in. Southeast Asia has something powerful, a young and growing population, lower labor costs, and governments that are actively welcoming foreign investments. Vietnam, for example, has become a manufacturing hub for electronics. Indonesia is rich in natural resources, especially nickel, which is critical for electrical vehicles. And countries like Thailand and Malaysia are building advanced industry zones. This isn't random. This is strategic growth. Big companies are already making moves. Apple is shifting parts of its production. Global brands are diversifying supply chains. And new factories are being built across the region. This trend even has a name, China Plus One. It means companies are keeping China, but adding Southeast Asia as a second base. And over time, that second base could become something much bigger. Now here's the reality. Southeast Asia isn't replacing China overnight. China still has unmatched infrastructure, scale, and experience. But Southeast Asia doesn't need to replace China. It just needs to grow alongside with it. And that growth is already happening. So the real question isn't, will Southeast Asia replace China? It's this. Could Southeast Asia become the next major engine of global growth? Because if current trends continue, we might already be watching that future unfold. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit like, subscribe, also hit that notification bell for more vlogs, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.